Today's craft celebrates the memory verse that we heard today, Psalm 139. I will praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. To celebrate that verse, we're going to make a line of people holding hands. They can be girls or boys, and they will be coloured in to represent our friends, our family, and people from around the world. This sample set that I've made are little girls made from an A4 piece of paper and made quite small. But you could always make bigger people and have less of them if you're using an A4 sheet. If you've got A3 or even some wallpaper around, you could make a longer set and you can do them whatever size you fancy. There's a selection here of the type of ones that you can make. Today, I am going to show you how to make 3 of the larger people, but all you need to do is adjust the number of concertina folds in your paper to make more. You will also need a selection of pencils or crayons with a variety of skin tones and your coloured felt pens. I'm going to use A4 paper, but if you've got A3 in your house, you could make a longer string of people. First of all, you need to fold your paper in 3. So judge a third and fold, and then fold again so that your paper is in 3 with a fold here and a fold there. It will open out to look like this. You then need to draw your person onto the front of your folded paper. The arms must come to the 2 folds, as must the ends of the legs. Using the scissors that you got ready, you need to cut out your person. While you're cutting, you must make sure that you do not cut the folds where the arms and the legs come to the ends of the paper. If you do, you will have separated your people and they will not demonstrate the fact that we want to stand united with our friends and family because God made all of us. When you've cut right round your person, you will be able to open the concertina and see that you have your line of people. You can experiment with different shaped people. These ones are little boys with trousers on or shorts, depending on how you decorate them. You could do girls with skirts. Then you will need to take your skin tone colours and decide what best represents the friends and family or the different nations round our world, and select the skin tones that you think will show that best. When you've coloured that in, you need to dress each of the figures appropriately. I've chosen bright colours here to represent the different fashions that the girls around me choose to wear. You could use wool for their hair. You may even decide that you want to use material to represent some of their clothes. However you do it, have fun and remember God made each one of us with all our differences. He made us unique and he loves us just as we are, and we must love each other too.